Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today, we're going to be showing you how to make Wingstop spicy Korean Q sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for being here. I appreciate you joining us today. Like I said, we're going to be making Wingstop spicy Korean Q sauce. So let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We got a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 clove of garlic minced, 2 teaspoons of crushed red pepper flakes, 2 teaspoons of low sodium soy sauce, and 2 teaspoons of sriracha. These a taste here. Yep. That sweetness from the brown sugar coming through, and then wham, you get hit with a little bit of heat. Wish the wings would have been a little crunchier, but these are really good. Spicy, flavorful, a lot of soy sauce in there, the garlic, the ginger, you taste everything. It's wonderful sauce. Thanks a lot for joining us today. Have a good day. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you next time.
Rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.